Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Ionic, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the apps from this device. To uninstall the apps, we need to open the FITBIT application on our phone. Of course, our watch needs to be paired with our phone via this application. In the app, we need to tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner, like this. Select our Ionic watch from the list of devices, and here we have apps option. Tap on it. And after this page loads, you should see the list of apps installed on your watch. As you can see, we have quite a few. To uninstall the app, simply select one, like this, by tapping on it, of course. And here you should see the uninstall button. Not all applications are removable, so you won't be able to uninstall every app. But if you installed some custom apps, you will be able to uninstall them. This is the custom app, so let's tap on it. And we have an uninstall option. Let's tap on it and then tap uninstall to confirm. And after the app is done uninstalling, you will see the install button. You can go back. It's gonna disappear from this list, as you can see. And also it's gonna disappear from your watch, from the menu. So let's swipe left to open the menu. And as you can see, we'll keep scrolling through the menu and the app is gone. And that's how you basically uninstall the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.